welcome to Zamans Kitchen, and I am your chef, Chef Nasir Zaman. Welcome, and thank you for watching all my videos and liking them. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आज हम बनाएंगे रोगनी नान मज़ेदार crispy. We are going to make roghni naan very crispy. So let's begin. We have here 1 bowl yogurt, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 7 teaspoon sugar, 3.5 teaspoon salt, 3.5 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon soda, butter we have half kg, 2 kilo flour, and we will be needing lukewarm 2 cup milk. To begin with, we need lukewarm milk. So now we are going to heat 2 cups of milk, just lukewarm so we can bear it for yeast. And meanwhile, milk is heating up. We are going to put 2 kilograms of flour, 2 kilo आटा इसी में डालेंगे. And we mix all this dry spices, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, and salt, and let it mix. Milk is warm, and now we are going to mix yeast in it. And now we will put in flour, three eggs, yogurt, butter, and a little bit oil. And we again mix it. To mix little bit more water and needed the dough very soft. So here's our dough is ready. See how soft it is. We put a little bit oil in it, and now we are going to cover it and going to put it for 2-3 hours in a warm place. So see you later, alligator. Welcome back, viewers. It's been 3 hours. We made the dough, and dough is now, you can see, rised very well. We're going to open it. Then we make dough ball, and then we will rest the balls for around 20 minutes and we'll make the naan first. You can make the dough balls as the size you like. I like this size. It's very good to make a normal size naan bread. Yes guys, now it's time to make the naan breads. The balls are settled. Very good. Now let's make some naan breads. You don't have to roll them very big, just a normal size. So we roll few breads. Just 3 times is enough. One, two, and 3. So we are going to make different kind of naan breads like sesame, onion seeds, clonji, cumin seeds, chili, garlic, plain. So you can also make filling naan breads and filled with potatoes or chicken or minced meat or cheese or sweet naan, tandoori. But if you need to make simple naan bread like sada naan, then we need to change a little bit of recipe. We don't need to use egg or butter or oil so much. So let's begin with, we have some milk here. Put milk on. Let's make this sesame now. You can use a fork instead of your fingers. Make perfect size. This is our oven. This is available in Europe nowadays everywhere. This your oven to make naan breads is there. So while one naan is in process, second naan. Put some milk on, it gives moisture and cooks very well. Okay, that's Roghni Naan. Time to move this in. This on the top. Some naan, Roghni. Take it out. Put some butter on. Wow, yum, yum, yum. Our second naan is getting ready. You can see inside the oven, it's getting brown, golden brown. Roghni Naan, onion seeds. From back side. So here is our butter naan. And as you can see, we have butter naan, cumin naan, chili naan, sesame naan, Roghni naan, garlic naan, and we can make 50 more kind of naan breads with this dough. So see you next time. Before you finish it, give a thumbs up, like it, subscribe it, share it, and click the bell button.